Well, yes, the Supreme Court today has issued notices to Centre and 9 states and union territories seeking response to the petition that has alleged that large scale of migrant workers are being detained, especially those are Muslims. It has alleged that they are being detained from across the country and being deported and deported illegally by after Centre's notification by the Home Ministry that was issued in May this year. They had in fact sought an interim stay from the Supreme Court today on that notification by the Home Ministry. But today the Supreme Court observed that the issue has to be examined in details, and it will have to see that there has to be a nodal agency and there has to be a process to identify that if those being detained are actually illegal immigrants or are they Indian citizens, because it was the petitioner's claim that those who are Indian citizens are being detained falsely as Bangladeshi immigrants. Now the Supreme Court said that it cannot let the matter go easily. There has to be a proper examination, because it can happen that people will enter the country. This is a problem, that people are entering the country illegally, and then once they are off the hook, it will be difficult for the authorities to trace these illegal immigrants. So taking note that this is a serious problem, the Supreme Court refused to stay that notification by which the petitioners claim that mass detention and deportations are taking place from the country. But at the same time, it has sought response from the Centre and 9 states and union territories where such cases have been reported.